Then I let that set up and dry before I start sanding on it. I think I got a little low spot right here. Other than that, everything else, man, looked really good. And I tell you, I was surprised right here. Why? Tell you that it was this where it was dent up. It was a lot of dents over here, and there was a dent here. But man, I tell you what, I took my time, as you guys saw, and we got that out. So, hey, I think that's gonna be it, basically, for the, you know, top of the hood. Actually, I say hood, top of the roof. That's gonna be it for the top of the roof. I had several dents on the passenger side, and right here, I'm not sure what's going on right here. I think it's, well, of course, it looks like it's high, so I will actually fill this one more time, and on the back side, I put a little bit more filler. I'll sand that real quick, and then we will be ready for some glazing putty, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, and we're gonna jump right into the next video. I'm just trying not to make these videos too long. As you guys know, I try to make my videos between 10 and 15 minutes or less. So hey, I think the roof is gonna turn out really good. I'm taking my time, and like I said, it's so straight, and you'll never see the roof. But then again, my trucks are kind of low, so you really will see the roof. So I just want to make sure everything is, you know, just perfect. Well, ain't nothing gonna get perfect, but I just want to make sure everything is as best as I can get it and stuff. So don't forget, guys, to hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button, guys, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on, so whenever I release new videos, you guys will be the first ones to get them. So hey, I've had fun today. I hope you guys have had fun. And like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a fast car or truck, Smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.